you didn't, then you're not a true cow. If you didn't, you're not a true cow. Well, actually, you are, because you probably didn't know, because your username's probably a different animal. How dare you? Yeah, and today we're doing a challenge with Shadowrun, the hardest Roblox game that I've ever met. Anyway, here, I got some macaroni with me. And if I press allow and get into this Roblox game, guess what we're gonna do? I'm gonna be playing while eating the macaroni. The most hardest challenge in the world. Let's get right into level 51, boy. Anyway, I also want to have a shout out to make. One is to my sister, Snake Gamer TV. Snake Gamer TV. Okay, that I don't know why I need to make a song of that, but I definitely did. I'm sorry this mic kind of has a little of me breathing. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on headphone mics. Seriously. Anyway, yes, my sister. Anyway, yes, my sister is going to be reacting to the video because she is epics. Oh, jeez. Epics. This game! I only died because of the macaroni. You probably could hear me just going with the macaroni, if that's a good sound for it. Oh my gosh, if you're probably wondering why I'm raging straight away, is because getting level 51 took forever, and if you see Hamster Yum Yum's video, you'll see why I am raging and why he deleted the shortcut, because he's dumb. That's why he deleted it. I'm sorry if I'm hurting your ears here. I'm just gonna add in the title, do not watch with headphones. This kind of hurts my own ears, because I'm the one wearing headphones with the mic attached, and my headphones suck. So, oh my gosh, what just happened? I only died there because I was eating macaroni. At the same freaking time. Anyway, what? Oh, and guys, if you missed my 30 sub special, then you are crazy and blah 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 blah. I'm sorry if that sounded like a tornado. It needed to. Each time I scream in my mic. Each time I scream and my spit gets on my microphone, I have to wipe it off. Yay. All this macaroni on my microphone. Mic, whatever. Alrighty. You probably can hear me, I really hope. Quietness. Bum bum. I forgot. I'm trying not to rage. Let it all out. I am really afraid about your ears if you're wearing headphones while doing this. And if you want to do a headphone challenge on this, go ahead. Do a headphone challenge. It sounds nice. I want you to do a headphone challenge if you want, but you have to wear headphones. This whole freaking... That's me! Beating on my keyboard! Ugh! This macaroni challenge is really upsetting me. I am depressed now, and I need to pineapples. Even though the chat was blurred, I was getting bothered by the swearing because they were actually finding a way to swear. Wow. Nice job, whatever your name was. And I do not like editing, so I tried it because the viewers can still see it, and it takes a little. So blurring is going to be really annoying today. Because I'm not starting the video because I had so much good clips, you know. Boy, you know what I mean? And girls, you know what else I mean? You know what? You get it. If you don't, comment down #, and I will explain. Nope, nope, I dropped macaroni on my shirt. Yeah, and guys, I'm working on merch for the amazing shop that's being built. Doing a horrible job, obviously. Like most cows, doing a horrible job on YouTube. Besides, I have a certain cow gaming that's not. Any cow gaming on YouTube isn't doing bad. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one, actually. Right? Right? Please tell me I'm not lonely. Do hashtag lonely if I'm lonely. Oh my gosh, this macaroni torch is annoying me. Okay, this time I'm doing it. Dun 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 dun. Myself, can you stop this music? It sucks. Nah, boy. Well, I just told myself, nah, boy. Nah, fam. Well, I don't know how myself is a family, but I want someone to explain that to me. Explain that to me. Take a deep breath. You know what? Eat a big scoop of macaroni. And then after this, please, I'm gonna eat some macaroni while doing it. Again. Ah, I forgot to click it so freaking hard! Ah! That's it. See you later, Roblox.